exploring the deep connections between how we treat the natural world and how we treat each other, and why both are inseparable moral responsibilities. How did humanity first begin asking, what do we owe the world around us? Long before modern ethics, early civilizations wrestled with humanity's place in the cosmos and community. Aristotle's Nicomachean Ethics emphasized virtue and the good life within society, while indigenous traditions revered the land as kin, not resource. Growing emphasis on human reason and the idea of dominion over nature marked a historical turning point. Descartes' dualism introduced a radical separation of mind from matter, severing the human from the natural. Lynn White Jr. critiqued this anthropocentrism as a root of our ecological crisis. A shift in collective conscience, from industrial conquest to ecological stewardship. Carson's landmark book exposed the devastating impact of pesticides like DDT on wildlife ecosystems and human health, igniting a movement. This led to the federal ban of DDT in 1972 and a shift in public discourse towards questioning ecological consequences. A pivotal decade that forced a fundamental moral question. Do we have obligations to nature itself, or only to other humans? Aldo Leopold expanded the moral community to include soils, waters, plants, and animals, while Garrett Hardin highlighted the tragedy of the commons. The struggle for a healthy environment is inseparable from the struggle for human equality. Murray Bookchin argued environmental crises are rooted in social hierarchies and systems of domination. Ecofeminism links the exploitation of women and nature, while environmental justice highlights the disproportionate exposure of marginalized communities to pollution and climate risk, exemplified by the Flint water crisis. True progress demands a holistic ethical framework, one that honors both human dignity and the health of the living planet. Embrace sustainability, deep ecology, and an integrated ethics that refuses to separate social justice from environmental stewardship.